And now I'm going to show you how to prepare a 25 centimeter thin pita, whether it's from room temperature in the pantry, from the refrigerator being chilled, or frozen from the freezer. Same process. As always, remember to oil both sides of the pita bread. When we've got our grill nice and hot, whether it's a flat top or a grill like a charcoal grill, remember to put it on flat top first, where all the dark colorization is, not where the raw look is. So flat top, down, straight onto the hot surface. You'll start to see the bubbles start to form. All the steam is starting to form within the bread there, within the pita bread. Don't turn it, just let it go. Let it get a little bit of char on it. Look at those bubbles. We're ready to turn now. Look at it rise. See, it's fluffy. Do you see the difference? There's a big difference. When people are using this pita incorrectly, they're using it raw. Look at the difference there. When it's cooked properly to when it's raw. Look at it, how nice and fluffy it is. Okay, compared to the raw. Some people use it straight out of the packet, but you've got to warm it up, whether it's in a pan, on a grill, a hot plate, or even in the sandwich press. Remember, when you're going from the grill and you're going to wrap it, put it down, flat surface first. And that's the best way to wrap the pita without cracking or breaking the bread.